Today, I'm walking you through how to use Any.Do, a simple yet powerful tool for managing your daily tasks, personal goals, and team collaborations. Whether you're here to organize your life or manage a project with your team, trust me, you're in the right place. We're going to cover every little detail, from signing up to using the app like a pro. By the end, you'll feel like an expert. Ready? Let's get started. Before diving into the details, let's first explore what Any.Do is all about. Imagine having a personal assistant, but one that's available 24/7 and fits right in your pocket. Any.Do is a powerful platform designed to help you organize your tasks, events, and projects effortlessly, all in one place. What sets it apart is its clean, intuitive interface and ease of use. Whether you're tech-savvy or not, this tool simplifies staying organized without overwhelming you. Here's how it can transform your daily life. To-do lists. Plan everything from your weekly groceries to long-term work projects. For example, create a checklist for a wedding or school science fair. Deadline management. Add due dates to tasks, so you never miss an important quiz, a doctor's appointment, or your best friend's anniversary. Team collaboration. Share tasks and projects with teammates, family, or classmates. For example, coordinate tasks for a group presentation or a home renovation project. Daily planners and reminders. Sync your calendar and let Any.Do nudge you to stay on track with notifications, be it for a morning yoga session or a work deadline. It's a productivity powerhouse, designed to help you get things done while freeing up your mind for what truly matters. Alright, let's get your Any.Do account set up. Don't stress, it's quick, straightforward, and I'll walk you through it step by step. You can use Any.Do across multiple devices, whether it's your smartphone, tablet, or computer. Start by visiting their website or downloading the app from your app store. Just search for Any.Do on platforms like the Apple App Store or Google Play. Click the Get Started button on the home page or app screen. When it comes to signing up for Any.Do, you'll have several convenient options to choose from. Perfect if you already rely on Google for your emails and calendar. Syncing with Google makes it easy to integrate your tasks with your existing schedule. Quick and secure, especially if you prefer using social logins for fast access across multiple devices. Great if you want to keep things simple and prefer not to connect external accounts. For the smoothest experience, especially if you plan to manage tasks on multiple devices, consider signing up with your Google account or email. This allows you to sync tasks seamlessly across your phone, tablet, and computer. Whichever option you choose, the process is fast and straightforward, so you'll be up and running in just a few minutes. Once you've logged in, Any.Do will guide you through a quick setup to tailor your experience. You'll be asked how you plan to use the platform, with two main options to choose from. Just Me. This option is ideal if you're focusing on personal organization. Whether you're managing grocery lists, planning daily tasks, or setting reminders for appointments, this mode keeps things simple and centered on your individual needs. Team. Select this if you're working on group projects, managing work-related tasks, or collaborating with colleagues, friends, or family. This mode offers tools for assigning tasks, tracking progress, and keeping everyone in the loop. I recommend starting with Just Me to familiarize yourself with the app's features. It's a great way to understand the basics and build your workflow. Don't worry, you can easily switch to the team mode later if you decide to collaborate with others. Take your time during setup to explore the tools and options that align with your goals. This initial customization will make your experience with Any.Do even more productive and enjoyable. Alright, now that you're in, let's explore the Any.Do interface and get familiar with the layout. It's designed to keep you organized without overwhelming you. The home screen. Here's what you'll see. My Day. This is your central hub for tasks scheduled for today. It helps you focus on what's urgent and keeps your priorities clear. Tasks. A comprehensive view of all your tasks, conveniently sorted into different lists for better organization. Calendar integration. Sync Any.Do with your Google, Outlook, or Apple Calendar to see tasks and events in one place. It's perfect for planning your week or managing deadlines. Lists. Organize your tasks by creating custom categories like work, personal, fitness, or even travel plans. This keeps everything streamlined and easy to navigate. Reminders. Set alerts for tasks so you never miss a beat. Need to remember to buy milk or attend a meeting? A quick reminder will have your back. Attachments. Add extra context to your tasks by uploading documents, pictures, or links. It's a handy feature for work projects or detailed plans. Take a few minutes to click around and get familiar with these features. The interface is intuitive, so you'll feel comfortable in no time. Trust me, once you start organizing tasks into lists and setting reminders, you'll wonder how you managed without it. Creating tasks in Any.Do is quick and easy, making it a great tool to help you stay organized. Here's how to do it. First, click the Add Task button when you open Any.Do. This is your starting point for creating a task. Next, type in exactly what you need to get done. For example, you might write, review project proposal by Friday. Pick up dog food on the way home. Prepare slides for Monday's meeting. Being specific with task names makes them clear and actionable. Then, set a reminder to stay on track. Choose a specific date, pick a time, or even set up recurring tasks for things that happen regularly, like pay rent or weekly team check-ins. If your task requires more details, you can add subtasks, notes, or attachments. For example, you might break down organize birthday party into steps like order cake, send invites, and buy decorations. You can also attach documents, like a budget spreadsheet or an event itinerary. Once you've filled everything in, hit save. Repeat this process to organize all your tasks. It's fast and simple. If you're juggling many tasks, try using Any.Do's voice input feature to create tasks even quicker. Lists are incredibly helpful for staying organized. They allow you to group similar tasks together, which makes it easier to focus and reduce that feeling of being overwhelmed. Here's how you can create and use lists effectively. To start, navigate to the List section on your Any.Do app or desktop. You'll find an easy-to-spot option to create a new list. Give it a name based on your needs. You can even make the list names more fun and visually appealing by using emojis, like study goals or office tasks. Once your list is created, add tasks to it by going back to the Add Task button. Enter your task, like send out meeting agenda or buy groceries, and then assign it to the relevant list from the drop-down menu. As you start filling your lists, organizing becomes much easier. You can prioritize tasks by dragging and dropping them within a list, check off completed tasks to track your progress, and add subtasks or notes for more complex tasks. Feel free to get creative with your lists. You might want a daily must-dos list for short-term goals, a someday list for long-term ideas, or a shared tasks list if you're working with others. By grouping tasks into lists, you create a clear structure that makes managing your to-dos easier and keeps you focused on what matters most. Life can get hectic, but setting reminders is a simple way to stay on top of everything and ensure nothing slips through the cracks. It's easy to set them up, and they can make a big difference in how efficiently you manage your day. When you create a task, look for the reminder option. This lets you schedule alerts for the right time, whether it's for a specific date or a recurring task. Start by picking a date, whether it's tomorrow, next week, or even months in advance. Then, choose the exact time for the reminder, such as 10 a.m. for checking emails or 8 p.m. for preparing for the next day. If it's a task you need to do repeatedly, like taking medicine or submitting weekly reports, set it to repeat on a daily, weekly, or monthly schedule. To stay ahead, use smart scheduling. For example, set a reminder a couple of days before a big project deadline, like Wednesday and Thursday, to give yourself time to prepare. For important tasks, you can set multiple reminders throughout the day, maybe one in the morning to start a task and another in the afternoon to review it. You can also link reminders to specific events. For instance, set location-based reminders that trigger when you arrive at the grocery store or your workplace. Or create task completion triggers. After finishing a task like submit proposal, set a follow-up reminder, like follow up with client. Add even more detail to your reminders by including notes or labels. A quick note like bring printed slides can be helpful for a meeting reminder. Or use labels like urgent, personal, or team to help prioritize tasks. To ensure you never miss an alert, sync your reminders across all your devices, phone, tablet, or laptop. This way, you'll always be in the loop, no matter where you are. With reminders in place, you'll stay organized and ahead of the game, keeping your daily tasks and long-term goals on track. Once you're ready to collaborate with your team, switching to team mode in Any.Do opens up a range of features to keep everyone organized and connected. This allows you to manage projects, assign tasks, and track real-time updates all in one place. First, head to the Workspace section in Any.Do. Create a workspace by naming it according to your team or project, like Marketing Campaign or Project Alpha. To bring others on board, simply invite team members by entering their email addresses. Once they accept, they'll have access to the workspace and its tasks. Next, set up boards to help organize your team's workflow. Boards act like digital whiteboards where you can track the progress of tasks. Create sections within your board, such as To Do, tasks that need to be started. In progress, tasks currently being worked on. Done, completed tasks. This allows everyone to see what's been accomplished and what's still pending. As tasks move through the workflow, you can easily drag them from one section to the next for a clear visual of your project's progress. Once the board is set up, you can assign tasks to specific team members by clicking on the task and selecting the person responsible. Be sure to set deadlines so everyone knows when their tasks are due. You can also add comments and notes to each task. This is a great way to leave instructions, ask questions, or provide feedback. For example, if someone is working on a report, you can leave a note like, "Please include the latest sales data," or "Can you confirm the deadlines with the client?" Any.Do keeps you in the loop with real-time updates. You'll get notifications whenever a task is completed, a deadline is approaching, or someone comments on your task. This ensures everyone stays aligned and up to date throughout the project. If your team uses other tools, you can integrate Any.Do with them for an even smoother collaboration. Whether it's linking to Google Drive for easy file sharing or syncing with Slack for communication, Any.Do brings everything together in one place. With these features, collaborating with your team becomes a breeze. Whether you're working with a small team or managing a larger project, Any.Do's workspace and boards help keep everything on track and moving forward efficiently. While the free version of Any.Do is amazing, the premium features take things up a notch. You get recurring tasks, color tags, add colors to tasks for better organization. WhatsApp reminders, get reminders sent to your WhatsApp. The great thing about Any.Do is that you can make it yours. Play around with the settings to adjust things like themes, notifications, and integrations. Sync your Google or Apple Calendar to see all your events and tasks in one place. Whether you're organizing your life, managing a team, or just trying to get through a busy week, this platform has your back. Try it out, experiment with the features, and see how much smoother your days become.